Hi friends, in this video we can check how we can integrate our WooCommerce website into a POS software. So we can manage our restaurant data and the website online, our online sales, both we can manage together with one stuff. So it's easy to use your POS software and the WooCommerce website together. So you can see this is the website which we are created with WooCommerce, and there is a pickup and delivery option is available on the website, and customer can choose the date, time, etc., and they can log in with their account, and a delivery option is available there. Customer can choose the timing for the delivery option is available there. Customer can choose the timing for the delivery, and they can complete the checkout after entering the billing details. Once we receive the order on our restaurant, we will get to the POS software. You can read here what is the POS software. Now open the software on our computer on the restaurant, and we can see the order is came to our POS software section, and from here we can manage that order. We can just open that order, and we can send the order to the kitchen. Get a message like this, and once the food is ready, then the kitchen staffs can mark the order is ready, and then we can deliver to the customer. With this POS you can use it for your live restaurant also, so you don't need any other billing software for this, and it can be used for several branches at a one time. If you have more than one branch, you can use it this one for your website and your live restaurant. And it have a mobile app also. You can see this is the mobile app of our POS store, and your waiter can take orders with this app, and you can see a waiter can choose a table, and he can select the food products according to the customer needs. When they will select, the order will automatically go to the kitchen view, and the kitchen will get a notification with a sound alert also. As you can see here, this is the order for the table 1. Like this you can add more tables also. It's depending upon your restaurant, right? After that, the supplier can choose the table 2, and he can choose the products like this. When they will select, at the same time the kitchen like this. When they will select, at the same time the kitchen will get notification, and they can start preparing the food. Once the order is placed and everything is ready, the kitchen staff can manage the order from there, and they can select all the products ready. Then the bill will be taken automatically. Once that order is ready, the bill will be generated automatically. So we can select the order section of that bill, and we can complete the checkout. If there is a supplier account, then the supplier can check out, but for this video I created for this video I created a cashier account, that's why we can check out on here, and we can see the balance amount and everything on the POS system here, and they can submit and the order is complete like this. And it is a best Android app, it's very useful to manage for the restaurant, and it can be available in any Android tab or phone. This is the billing layout or the POS software layout, and it can be installed on our computer also. You can see these options are available here, and we can select. There will be a beep sound also available when the customer select or the cashier select an order. We can add a new customer to it. Okay, once we finish that, you can check out. We can add the exact amount what customer is giving, and the balance amount you can see here. You can select the printing options and you can pay. Click on the pay option and the print will take automatically, and you can see this is the billing layout. This can be changed according to your requirements. There is a table option is available, customer section is available. You can manage your customers there. Saved cart option is available, and there is a order section is available. Here you can manage your live orders and the online orders. You can see the both orders there, and the transaction report you can see here about, and the report here, and the settings page is also available there. For all creating these things, first we need a domain and hosting, and this is the website view of our mobile view of our website. Customer use can like an Android app, and it is very mobile friendly. Customer can choose the product and they can check out. So in order to create this website or these things, first we need a domain and hosting. Domain means a website name, and hosting means the space for keeping our website files. First you have to click on the domain checker. I bought the domain from the hostinger.in. You can also check the below link and you can buy it from there also. I am searching as a demo domain, and you can check your domain here. Make sure to check a appropriate domain name. Then you can select a hosting also. Click on shared web hosting, and you can choose no website. That's why I choose the basic plan. You can choose the premium plan. Then you can adjust the time length here and click on checkout now option, and here you can log in with your Google or Facebook account and choose a payment method. There are a lot of payment method is available. You can choose UPI, Paytm, etc. Once you finish that, complete to checkout, and you will get a email notification about your control panel and all other details. So you can go to the control panel like this and click on manage, and here on the control panel section you can manage all your website details. And now just click on the auto installer option and just select WordPress from it, and we can install WordPress. And now enter all your details like username, password, email, website title, etc. Once you finish that, just click on install and wait for some time to get installed WordPress on your website. Now this is your default website. Now just type wp-admin along with this URL, so you can go to your dashboard and enter your building credentials there. Now this is your WordPress dashboard, and you can see some default plugins are already activated on our website, so we can disable all that plugins. Plugins means which give functionality to your website, so just deactivate all the default plugins. We don't need anything. Now just select all and deactivate and delete all the plugins. Once we finish that, just go to the home section, and now we can add a theme for our website. Just go to the appearance and click on theme and click on up new, and we can use a free theme for this website. Just click on blocks key and just click on install. Our theme is installing on our website, and just activate that. Once you finish that, install Blocksy companion as you are seeing in the video. Just install and activate that plugin. Then click on the skip option. Here you can manage all your theme editing section. Then you can select on startup files and you can import a demo website for your website. So instead of starting from the scratch, we can import a demo website and we can customize easily. Now click on next and choose Elementor. Click on next, click on install and wait for some time to get install all these things. Once you finish, it is imported successfully, and now we can start creating our website. Actually for this website we don't need any customization on the theme, because we have a already created page, so we don't need to customize anything. Now we can change the logo here as you are seeing. Now click on the logo section and upload the logo. Just upload a logo here. Click on select, and here you can adjust the logo height. You can adjust the logo height. You can add a site title here. This is the default site title. We can change that according to our requirements. After that we can add a site tagline. You can add a tagline also. Once you make finish, just click on publish button, and here you can see the mobile icon and desktop. Now just close that. You can see the changes here. Once you finish that, go to the settings and click on general, and here you can change the site tagline as you are seeing on the upper side of your website. You can add your own tagline for your website and click on save changes. Once you finish that, just refresh and you can see the tagline on the browser. Once you finish that, now just click on home, then go to the WooCommerce settings, and here you can add your store details. It's super easy and you can change according to your users or the requirements. You can change your country, you can change the selling locations, shipping locations, currency. You can choose your currency and click on save changes. After that, there is a product option is available. All these settings you can change according to your requirements. You can add the shipping methods, you can enable the payment options, and you can change the account and privacy options. All these things you can change according to your requirements, and it's super easy. And there is an integration section is available, we don't need that. Okay, once you finish that, go to the plugin section and click on add new and type food store. This is the plugin which we are using for our website. Just install and activate. It's one of the best food store plugin, and this is totally free plugin. Now just activate it. They have premium add-on option also, you can check later. Now just click on the skip option, and here you can see this is the order online page of the plugin, and we need to make this plugin and we need to make this plugin in the home page also later. First we can check the plugin settings and we can change the settings according to our requirements. Okay, now just click on service and you can change the service options. If you want, you can choose all these settings according to your requirements. You can change the default service, you can change the service start time, service close time. All these things you can change here. You can change the service model settings. All these settings are depending upon your requirements. And you can change the pickup service, pickup minimum order amount, pickup minimum order amount, and delivery service option is available, so you can enable that also if you have any delivery service. After that, click on the layout styling section, and here you can change the layout of your website. If you want 2 columns, you can change to 2, and hide bottom cart. All this depending upon your requirements. You can enable or disable all the settings. Once you finish any changes, make sure to click on save changes. Now here on the customize section, you can change the primary colors, secondary colors, etc. After that, click on the advanced section. Finish that, just you can see the order online page. We can make that page is on our home page. Now go to the settings and click on reading, and click on reading settings and select the order online page as our home page. Click on save changes. Now just refresh and you can see our home page is changed. Now go to the product section, click on add new, and we can add our old products one by one. Now just type a title, short description, and a category, You can add add-ons for the product. If you have a hot and sour items, whatever you need, you can add that, like spicy. If you want more add-ons, you can add that. After that, you can add the tags for the product. You can add some fresh tags. Once you finish that, add the price for the product. You can add a regular price, sale price, and click on a product image. You can publish your product. After publishing, you can see the view product. And you can see all the product here. And you can see the index of our URL. Now we can change on the settings section. Click on permalinks. And here you can change the permalink settings. Select the post name as you are seeing in the video. And here also choose the product permalinks option. Click on default. And now click save changes. Right? Once you finish that, just refresh and you can see the changes here. All the products, and we can customize our website after adding our products. Okay, now I added all the products to my website, and now you can see the product which I added here. Now just click on add to cart. And you can see there is a pickup and delivery option is also available. Now we can customize our website here. Just click on customize. And the upper section of our website, you can see the order online section. We can add an image or a banner. Select design option. Here you can container background and select image and add an image banner for that section. And container background and select image and add an image banner for that section. Just type select an image and select the image, and you can change the text also here. Select the title font. You can select a title font. You can adjust the font size, line height, letter spacing, etc. here. Once you finish that, you can change the color of the font. And you can change the weight of the font. All these things you can change here, and click on publish and you can see the changes. Okay, now our banner is ready and it's beautiful. Now we can check the footer section how to edit. Click on the customize and choose the footer section, and you can edit all the section one by one. Just click on the edit option. If you want to delete a section, just delete that by clicking on that into sign. And you can also edit the particular section just clicking on edit. And now just shift plus click, you can edit any section on that. You can change the contents. You can change your contents from the demo, and you can edit that from that particular section. Once you finish that, click on publish. Okay, now we can check how we can edit our pages. Click on all pages option. Here you can delete the unwanted pages, because when we imported there are a lot of unwanted demo pages is available here on the pages section. We can delete that. Click on move to trash and apply. And now we can add a new page. Just click on add new, and here you can add a title for your page, and you can add your contents here. If you want, you can create with the Elementor also. Once you finish that, click on publish, and your page will be published to your website. Now how we can see how we can edit our menu section. Go to the appearance section and click on menus. Here you can create a new menu for your website. Just click on create a new menu, give a name for the menu, and you can choose the display location for the menu, and just click on create menu. Okay, once the menu is created, you can add your menu items from the left hand side as you are seeing in the video. Just click on add to menu. Okay, now our website building is almost finished, and you can change all the editing according to your use. Now we can install a plugin. Click on plugin and upload a premium plugin which is for our POS software. This is the plugin. The plugin link I will give in the description box below. WooCommerce POS software. So just install and activate that plugin on our website. And now activate that plugin. And now we can set up the plugin. You can see the plugin settings on the left hand side, and go to the POS section and click on the settings of the plugin and click on general settings. Here you can choose the progressive web apps cache and make sure it is yes. This is for our apps. And now custom order number, if you want you can create yes or no. All other options you can use according to your requirements. You can change the POS order status, allow refund, all these settings you can change according to your requirements, and click on save changes. After that, go to the payment settings and you can enable the payment options. Click on save change. After that, go to the payment settings and you can enable the payment options. Click on save changes. Shipping settings, you can enable that. Barcode settings, you can enable or disable that. Your printing options is available here. You can view the printing details here. This is the default layout of your printing receipt. You can change there here, and POS layout setting is available. You can add your logo. POS type should be cafe, restaurant, and all other settings you can change according to your requirements. It's easy, and you can change and you can test all these settings. You can use that. Okay, now click on the visit POS on the section, and you can see here the staff can log in. This is the default URL of the POS section. You can get it from the POS section on the website. Now click on the store staff section. Here we have only one user, which is admin. Now select that user and make sure yes and is POS staff. Then you can save changes. Now click on the register section, and here you can add a branch one, whatever. If you have a lot of branch, then you can add according to that branch one, and you can choose the cashier section as admin. You can change here, and this is very important, and make sure the correct mode for each and every staff. If you have supplier, then you can use supplier, and the checkout option is not available for the supplier, so make sure to do that. Once you finish that, you can select the user section, and we can add a new user to our website. Go to the user section and add a new user on the user section area, and you can choose the default role as a customer. And once you added everything, just add the new user. Now go to the store staff, and you can see the newly added staff there. We can also make that user also for a POS staff. Now click on save changes. Once you finish that, go to the register section and just edit the previously added one, and you can add the new added user also to that, right? After that, cashier mode, if you want to add this user to a new, like a supplier, then you can create a new register and you can do that. Wallet mode, all this mode that you can add according to your requirements, right? After that, click on the outlet section, and you can add the outlet name here. If you have more than one branch, you can add outlet is here, and you can see that URL also there. Now you can add the tables for each and every branch here. Okay, once you finish that, click on save, and that table will be added to your database. Like that, you can add the table 1, table 2, and you can choose the outlet also from the list. So if you have more than one branch, you can manage it one from one place, and you can check all your restaurant here. Now we can log in on the POS page of our website, and this is the POS page of our website. Now you can manage your orders from this window, right? You can see, you can select the products and all other details here. Now to create an app for this POS software, go to your hosting account and WP content plugins. All these details I gave here. Now change these names according to your branch name or your restaurant name, right? Now just change this like this. Instead of the default app name, you can add your own app name. I'm just adding London Cafe POS app. You can add your own name, short name, etc. After that click on save, and now just close that and save, and now just close that. And now you can see there is an icon on the your web browser. Just click on that and click on install, and now your Windows app is ready, and you can see here, and you can open that, and now you can install to all your computer of your restaurant. And each and every user there will be a login username and password, so it's easy to manage. Now this is your mobile version. Now just click add London Cafe to home screen, which is your POS, and now just install that. And your app is ready here also. Super easy, and you can install to all your staff's mobile phone, and there will be a username and password for all the users. So if you want to disable any user, you can do it from your POS software, so it's safe and you can use. Right, now this is the page which we are created, and now our POS tutorial is completed. And if you have any doubt, you can just ask on the our Facebook page also. Just click on adding two products, click on continue, customer option. They want login, you can try to log in here. You can also add more functions to this website, and if you want any customization work, you can contact me on Facebook. Right, once you finish the order, click on place order, and you can manage this on your POS software. Open your POS software, and on the restaurant it will be already open, and you can manage all your orders on the order section. And on the POS software you don't need to add any products because it's already linked with our WooCommerce website. So all the WooCommerce products you can see on the POS software, right? Okay, now the kitchen section is here, and there will be a URL is available here. Make sure to open this URL always on the kitchen screen. And you can use it for all the branch kitchens. Once the order is ready, you can start billing, and it will be automatically generate, and you can click on accept, and that order is completed. Like this you can see the order is completed on the online order section. On it mobile phone also, your waiters or the suppliers can use the mobile phone, and you can manage, and they can manage the restaurant services from their mobile phone. They can choose the table and take the order, and that order will be directly go to the kitchen view, and the kitchen staff can prepare food, or they can select the order according to the kitchen status. And there will be a order notification sound also available. all these things we can do with these two apps. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel.